Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Ram 1500 rims is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your truck, not just for enhancing its rugged aesthetic and commanding road presence, but also for improving performance, handling, and even fuel efficiency, making the right choice crucial for any Dodge Ram owner looking to truly personalize their ride and stand out from the crowd. Number 5. LEDKINGDOMUS Fender flares for Dodge Ram 1500 and 1500 Classic. These fender flares are precisely engineered for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic models, excluding RT and Rebel. They ensure a seamless integration with your truck's specific year, make, and model. Crafted from premium-grade PP material, these flares have passed rigorous durability tests. They are designed to resist deformation, shrinkage, and cracking, even in the harshest climates. Integrated UV protection prevents chalking and cracking over time. Their smooth black finish is also paintable, allowing you to match them perfectly to your vehicle's color. Enjoy a straightforward installation process with accurate trimming for a perfect will fit. No drilling is required, and all necessary mounting hardware and instructions are included. These flares not only give your truck an aggressive off-road look but also protect your wheel wells from mud, scratches, and other external damage. They come complete with all essential components for immediate use. What we like. These flares are built with premium-grade PP material, ensuring resistance to deformation and cracking even in extreme climates. They also feature UV protection to prevent chalking and cracking over time. If you're looking for robust protection and a custom off-road look without complex modifications, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. OEDRO 6-inch running boards for Ram 1500 Crew Cab. Introducing the OEDRO 6-inch running boards, designed to enhance both the look and functionality of your truck. These robust side steps offer a significant upgrade for your vehicle. These running boards are engineered for a perfect fit on 2019 to 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab new body models. Please verify your specific cab type, as they are not compatible with quad cab, extended cab, or 19 to 24 1500 Classic versions. Featuring a unique two-stair layout, they provide easier access for lifted vehicles and simplify rooftop operations. Their robust 3-tube design also offers superior protection for your vehicle's underside and sides. Built with a unique powder coating, they offer exceptional rust and corrosion resistance, ready for any driving condition. The laser-cut step plate ensures a non-slip surface and reinforced grip, proven to handle up to 550 pounds. Installation is incredibly straightforward with the included heavy-duty brackets and hardware. You can have them installed in under 20 minutes, requiring no cutting or drilling. What we like. These running boards offer a generous 6-inch width and a unique two-stair layout, perfect for lifted vehicles or those with oversized tires. Their heavy-duty construction and powder coating provide exceptional rust resistance and can handle up to 550 pounds. If you need enhanced accessibility, robust side protection, and a durable step for your truck, these are designed for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract specific product points as the review source was empty. Number 3. Tyger Fury Front Bumper Kit. Introducing the Tyger Fury Front Bumper Kit, designed to transform your Dodge Ram. It's built for specific models, ensuring a perfect fit and aggressive style. Crafted from heavy-duty 5mm carbon steel, this bumper offers extreme protection. Its powder-coated black textured finish ensures rust resistance and a rugged look. It's compatible with 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2024 1500 Classic models. Please note, it does not fit Rebel, Warlock, or 5th Gen 2019 up new body style Rams, and it does not support front parking sensors. Its US patented design helps your vehicle stand out with ease. It includes removable light covers, pre-drilled license plate holes, and brackets for various light setups, allowing for personalized customization. Enjoy a straightforward, bolt-on installation process. No drilling is required, and DIY instructions are included to guide you every step of the way. Rest assured with Tyger's commitment to quality. This product is backed by a 3-year warranty for US customers against manufacturing defects. What we like. This front bumper is crafted from heavy-duty 5mm carbon steel with a textured black finish, offering extreme protection and rust resistance. Its US patented design makes your vehicle stand out, and it comes ready for aftermarket lights with included mounting brackets. If you're an off-road enthusiast seeking maximum front-end protection and a customizable, aggressive look, this bumper is a solid contender. What people say. Number 2. Road-ready Dodge Ram 1500 20-inch black steel rim. Introducing the perfect replacement wheel for your 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. This 20-inch black steel rim is designed for a direct fit, ensuring your truck looks great and performs reliably. It's fully compatible with all your existing factory equipment. This includes TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, wheel covers, and even your current tires, including winter ones. Engineered to factory specifications, installing this wheel is incredibly easy. We guarantee a direct fit, but always confirm your tire size for perfect alignment. Whether you need a single wheel replacement, a full set swap, or just a spare, this rim is designed to meet all your needs. It's a reliable choice for any replacement scenario. Please note that this purchase includes only the wheel itself. Tires, TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, and wheel covers are not part of this package. What we like. This 20-inch black steel rim is an OE direct replacement, ensuring full compatibility with all factory equipment like TPMS sensors and lug nuts. Its black painted finish offers a sleek, understated look that complements many truck styles. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement wheel that matches original specifications and offers a clean aesthetic, this is a perfect fit. What people say. Number 1. OE Wheels DG62 20-inch chrome rim. Introducing the OE Wheels DG62, a stunning 20-inch chrome rim designed to enhance your vehicle's appearance. This wheel combines robust construction with a sleek finish, making it a perfect upgrade. Measuring 20 by 9 inches, it offers a commanding presence on the road. Its brilliant chrome finish ensures your vehicle stands out with a touch of elegance. Engineered with a 5 by 139.7 bolt pattern and a 19mm offset, this rim is built for a precise fit. It ensures optimal performance and compatibility with your vehicle's specifications. It's designed to fit various models, including Ram 1500 5 Lug from 2011 to 2025, Rebel 1500, Dakota, Aspen, and Durango. Verify your vehicle's specific requirements for a perfect match. Please note that lugs, bolts, locks, and TPMS sensors are not included with your purchase. These items will need to be acquired separately to complete your installation. Rest assured, this rim is fully compatible with your existing tire pressure monitoring system. You can easily transfer your current sensors or install new ones. What we like. This 20-inch rim features a striking chrome finish, instantly upgrading your truck's appearance. It's designed with a specific bolt pattern and offset to ensure a precise fit for various Ram 1500 models. If you're looking to add a touch of classic shine and a custom look to your vehicle while maintaining TPMS compatibility, this wheel is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.